First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:43 this morning, and the frontal system that you see here is the frontal system that's going to arrive in the valley, but it's not going to be anytime soon. Notice that actually part of the front has actually stalled out, and more of it will. It's because this area of high pressure behind the cold front that's finishing up, moving off out of the northeast, this high pressure system is very strong and is going to be the dominant feature. Right now, the low is a little bit weaker, and the high is going to be holding in place, and so this low can't go because this is blocking it. And so our pattern is going to be pretty quiet in the next few days until we start to get towards Friday, and that front will gradually start to work its way into Texas, and then it will finally arrive here in the valley on Saturday. By the way, this little yellow line that we draw, not always an issue. It's called a dry line, and it kind of acts like a cold front. Drier air to the west, more humid air to the east, and that is going to trigger thunderstorms in West Texas today. And some of the outflow from those storms could bring a few showers to the valley late tonight and early tomorrow morning. We're not going to see thunderstorms, but maybe some light rain showers. Actually, a threat of severe weather in West Texas, so we're fortunate enough not to have to worry about that, although we could certainly use the rain. We still have those drought conditions. 8 a.m., cloudy skies. Can't rule out a stray sprinkle still, but most of us are going to be dry, and much of the day really is going to be dry. We're going to be seeing the clouds gradually break up. We're going to see a little more sun than we did yesterday. Not a lot, though. Notice all the clouds still around at noon. It's going to be breezy today, breezier than it was on the weekend, also a little bit more humid than it was on the weekend. Best chance of seeing the sun is going to be late afternoon today. I think some might be fortunate enough to see partly cloudy skies. Overall, though, I'm a little bit pessimistic, and I think that there's going to be other places that are going to have more clouds and sun throughout the day. With a little bit more sun, though, mid-80s, and that breezy conditions. The breeze helps warm us up, and so that's why we're going to be warmer than we were over the weekend. Later tonight, the clouds are going to thicken up, and the rain chance does return. Here are a few showers popping up very late tonight, and they'll be around for tomorrow morning, but not a lot. We're talking about a 20% chance of rain for tomorrow morning, so that means most of us are still going to stay dry. Just a heads up, you might encounter a shower on the morning drive, but not too much. And then the afternoon is looking dry. Notice 1 o'clock, there's still a lot of clouds around, but no rain. Late afternoon, I think the clouds are going to break up even more tomorrow than today, and with even more sun, our temperatures are going to continue to climb, and we're looking at the upper 80s for tomorrow. So today, 85, warmer than it was over the weekend by about 5-10 degrees. Mostly cloudy, though. Though we're not going to have completely overcast skies like yesterday, there's still going to be more clouds than sun. It's going to be humid. It's going to be breezy. Gusts around 25 miles per hour, and still a little bit on the breezy side tonight. Not as bad, but I still think we could see gusts around 20 miles per hour, especially early in the evening. And with a little bit of a breeze, with lots of clouds, we are not cooling down much. Notice we only cool down 10 degrees. That usually, we kind of average cooling down about 20 degrees this time of year, and tonight we're only going to cut that in half, only cooling down to 75. That is above normal for this time of year, and get used to above normal temperatures. Although the high temperature for Tuesday is normal for us, notice the higher temperatures coming in Wednesday, Thursday. Yes, the 90s are going to return. You factor in humidity, it's going to feel a little bit worse than that. I guess one good thing could be the wind. Some bad hair days Wednesday and Thursday. Winds and humidity, not a good combination. Still breezy on Friday. I think the winds actually will back down a little bit Saturday and Sunday, but another cold front comes in and our rain chance goes up. Best chance on Saturday, still a chance Sunday morning, early afternoon, but then it looks dry for late Sunday afternoon. And the good news is we will be cooling back down a little bit below normal for this time of year.